Yeah, if you have a 2.5 hour wait on Pancakes, you might as well take a boat ride. Well, we're at the St. John's and we're gonna go jet skiing for Pancakes. I don't know if it's officially in flood stage, but it's very high. So we're gonna have to be careful and sort of assess what we see out here. What do you see out here? Anything?
I haven't seen anything yet. It's pretty calm.
Just stay in the middle with the tidal up there. Debbie and I, and Walt and Linda.
Okay, a simple plan today. We were just going to go down the St. Johns River, cross Lake Dexter and Lake Woodruff for a 15-mile one-way trip to the Sugar Mill Restaurant at De Leon Springs State Park.
A little bit of a zoo today. Well, we learned an important lesson. We got here 30 minutes after they opened and it was already a 2.5 hour wait at the sugar mill for the Pancakes. So we're going to plan B. were foiled. No pancakes at De Leon State Park. 2.5 hour wait. And we got there like 20 minutes after they opened. We have not given up on food yet though. Okay. As always, we thank you for coming along today. Have a great day. Bye-bye. All right, we're gonna try this place.
Yeah.
The jet ski portion of the trip was great. The food's been a challenge. This is our first sign of food, Sonny's Barbecue.